Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your device and software so you know which options appear. Once done, make sure your iPhone is charged above 20% and backed up to iCloud or Finder. Now open Settings, tap Accessibility, and look for Touch or Physical and Motor. This is where the menu button option lives. You act directly here. The reason is that menu features are accessibility-driven, so changing them prevents accidental interface changes and keeps your shortcuts intact while removing the visible button. You now manage the floating menu itself. Tap Assistive Touch, then toggle it off to remove the floating menu button entirely. This is immediate and reversible. If you prefer to keep Assistive Touch for gestures, edit the top-level menu and set functions to none or replace with a less intrusive action, and reduce the idle opacity so the button fades. Do this because it maintains functionality while minimizing visual clutter. Meanwhile, remember any custom gestures remain accessible via hardware buttons if configured. Finish by testing. Open Apps, swipe home, and check that the floating control is gone or behaves per your edits. If it still appears, restart your iPhone. That often forces settings to apply. If toggling fails, reset Assistive Touch settings or update iOS because software bugs can prevent changes. If a hardware or tactile issue causes the menu to reappear, restore from your backup or contact Apple support. This ensures you rule out faults versus software settings and keeps your device stable moving forward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.